Hello friends, I am Gajanan Sangle, numerologist, Vastu consultant and motivational guide. Today I will talk with you regarding predictions of 2022 for the persons who are ruled by number 9. The persons who are born on 9th, 18th and 27th of any month are ruled by planet Mars, that is number 9. The year 2022 will be a full year of opportunities for the person who are ruled by number 9. Don't focus on the things which hold you down. Try to achieve all your goals. Approach all your goals with confidence and you will surely make it this year. With determination, you can achieve anything and everything you want in life. Try to spread positive energy and everything will be positive for you. Also work on weaknesses with dedication. You can make all your dreams come true this year. So make the most out of it. Always stay true to yourself and towards your goals. Don't let negative energies enter your life. Remember friends, ups and downs are a part of life, but it depends upon how you can deal with any situation. Keep your thoughts and emotions positive and nothing will go wrong in your life. This new beginning will enable you to feel inspired and make things right in your life. Now, I will tell you how year 2022 will be for the persons ruled by number 9 from the career and finance point of view. Friends, 2021 was challenging for you in the matters of finance, but 2022 will be very good for you. You will be able to achieve all your goals and you will have chances to go on work related trips and the stars will be in your favor. These work trips will give you success and they will also be beneficial for your finances and help you grow in whichever career you are. You will give attention and success from your colleagues and teammates will follow you. Everyone will appreciate and respect you for your work. They will understand and cooperate with you at your workplace and will support you in every problem, friends. Students, they have a chance for higher studies and will get success on this road. Overall, this year will be a successful period for your career. Now friends, let me tell you how the year 2022 will be for the persons ruled by number 9 from love and relationship point of view. This year will be definitely a good year for dating and starting a healthy relationship if you are single. So please make a full attempt. You will definitely succeed. You have to be honest with your partner. If you lie, your relationship can break. Try to spend time with your partner and don't disappoint them. If you disappoint them, it will be challenging year for your relationship. If you are married, try to avoid fights with your partner because you will see unwanted arguments during this period. Give gifts to your partner and keep them happy and spend quality time with them. Whenever you try to fight, sit and talk because these fights can be harmful in your relationship. Overall, in this period, you have to fight against all the challenges to save your relationship. Now friends, let me tell you how the year 2022 will be from the health point of view for the persons who are ruled by number 9. Always Follow the advice of your doctor. The year 2022 won't be a good year for your health. This is a warning sign, so be cautious. Eat well and ensure that you keep away from all the stress. A lot of stress can affect your mental health, which can be dangerous for you. Make some positive changes in your life for your good health. Include daily exercise in your routine. Your health is your wealth. Hence, you must stay alert and focused on your health. Stay aware of your regular health checkups, as this year will not be a good year for you from the health point of view. So please take care of yourself this year. Now friends, I will tell you the remedies for the number 9 for the year 2022. Write number 9 with a red color pen on a piece of paper and keep it in your pocket. This will bring you luck and prosperity. Take a 2 by 2 inch copper square and keep it in your pocket. This will boost your power of Mars. Do you know a red color? Red coral is your lucky stone. Your lucky colors are green, yellow, white. Donate jaggery to a cow, that too a brown color cow, for getting success. Chant mantra Om Kreem Krom Saha Bhaumay Namaha 108 times every day. This will enhance your good luck and prosperity. That's all for now. Thank you.